Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying where you stand and what matters most. Run a crawl and analytics audit to find high-impact pages and performance bottlenecks, then pick 1 to 3 target keywords per page based on user intent. This focuses your efforts. Once done, ensure the site is crawlable by updating robots, TXT, and submitting an XML sitemap so search engines can index changes fast. Make sure to remove or canonicalize duplicate content, because search engines split authority across copies. Now you optimize the page itself and the technical framework that supports ranking. Start with on-page elements, craft descriptive titles and meta descriptions, use heading hierarchy, clean URLs, and add structured data where relevant to enhance snippets. Then improve user experience by prioritizing mobile-first layout, reducing load time to under 3 seconds, and simplifying navigation so users and crawlers move easily. Finally, once those are set, add thoughtful internal links and canonical tags to consolidate authority and apply schema for richer search results. To finish, create a sustainable content and growth loop that converts traffic into outcomes. Publish helpful, intent-aligned content consistently and refresh evergreen pages every 3 to 6 months so they stay relevant. This signals quality to search engines. Parallel that with authority building, targeted outreach, guest posts, and earning quality backlinks rather than low-value links. Make sure to measure results, rankings, click-through rate, and conversions, and iterate on pages that underperform. Troubleshooting tip: if rankings drop, check recent site changes, crawl errors, and backlink profile for toxic links and fix immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.